Hi there guys, it's me, Carlo, and welcome to my video tutorial. This tutorial is all about Garena. I know that most of you guys know what Garena is and how to use it. But for those who don't, this video is suited for you. Let me introduce you what is Garena. Garena is an online game and social platform that enables users to discover, download, and play online games. To open Garena, just double-click its icon on your desktop. Loading, and that's it. This is what Garena looks like at the first. Garena is telling you to enter your username or email and your password. If you don't have any account, click this create an account button and it will go directly to its website. Follow the procedures there and you're already signed in. I'll type an account. After you create your Garena account, type your email, then your password. Then it will initialize. Wait for it. That is the interface of Garena. This is your avatar or display picture. This is your name, your signature. To change or edit your avatar, just click it. Press change avatar. Then choose any icon under Garena, Heroes of New Earth, League of Legends, Point Blank, and many more. And click your desired icon, then press apply, then select OK. To change your name in Garena, just click it, then change anything you want. My name. Then if you want to change your signature, just click it again and then put anything you want. This is the search bar. Search bar helps you to find your friends. Just type your friend's nickname here. I'll type JP. If you click this name, a conversation box will appear. It's lagging. Oh no. A conversation box will appear. This is your avatar and this is his avatar. And this button is for you to add friends or to join clan. And if you click this button, a pop-up window will show to you. These are the ways of adding buddies. Connect accounts if you want to connect your Garena account to Windows Live Messenger account or to your Facebook account. Suggest buddies. Garena suggested these accounts to you. Just click add and it will directly add to your friends list. Add buddies. Just type here the Garena username, and if you want to join clans, just click it and search clan name, then join them. This section shows you your friends, League of Legends friends, and the blacklist. To hide, if you want to hide if you want to hide this games list, press this button, and the games will be hidden. Settings. This is the settings button. If you want to change anything in your Garena account. The region settings, which includes language settings and region settings. Chatting settings, which includes message history, privacy, sound settings, nudge settings, hotkey settings, system settings, and notification, and then Teams. If you are finished editing your settings, just press OK. To show again the games, just click this button. These are the games under Garena. These are Thunder Strike, Talk Talk, LAN games, Point Blank, Heroes of New Earth, and League of Legends. To play one of these games, just click it and the interface of the game will be shown to you. For more info, visit its website garena.com.ph. Thank you for listening. Bye.